just raised about $700,000 for the Trailblaze round. And that first day was actually yesterday was the first day of trading, almost 3% on the first day, absolutely crushing it out the gate. If they hit, continue to hit that rate, their stretch goal is to hit, I think it's 2.55% a day is their kind of like moon goal on this. Their average, I think the core target is 2% a day. The middle one is like 2.3 and then 2.55. And yesterday they hit almost 2.7%. So if they stay on that track, they're going to blow it out of the water. They would 5x the entire fund, which even after their fees would give all of us almost a 3x in our portfolios in just 2 months. So shout outs to the Brown Cowboy and the Frontier Fund getting kicked off with another round there. And that's the kind of stuff you can look forward to in the Surf DAO. So if you're interested to find out more about that.
Yeah, we did a lot of content on that, tried to get a lot of people in there and got, in the doldrums of the market, $700,000 in that fund. And, it's only the first day, but when I was talking about it, I even lowballed it and said, hey, if they can just do 1% a day after their fees, you're going to be making 15% a month on stable coins that you're actively not doing anything with. And that's kind of their lowest target that they've ever achieved, was that 15% return after fees. Their target goal is to give you a 30% return after fees. And after the first day, again, it's only one day, they're on pace for something like 250% returns after fees, which would be absolutely wild. But again, even if it reverts down to just 1% a day after fees, you're still getting your 15% month after month, where you can compound that every 30 days, or you can extract the profits and leave the base in there. It's up to you. If you need the income, take it out. If you don't need the income, compound it. Or you can do a little bit of both. Take out half for profits, compound the other half, and let that position grow over the next coming months, coming years, and hopefully the Frontier Fund keeps going for a long time. This is their third offering now. They had a beta offering that Crypto Amaro over here took a risk on. He killed it because he was one of the first people in there. Then we had the last offering, which did produce over 15% yield. And then now this is the third offering, not including bridge rounds and all the other shorter rounds while they're raising funds that, we forget to mention. The bridge round made good gains as well, something like 5% per portfolio after fees or something. So, they keep doing their thing. It's another opportunity. And again, you only can participate in that if you hold 400,000 Surf or more. And that opportunity, might be even in higher demand if they keep up the good work that they're already doing this cycle.
And yeah, I know we're all a bit jaded in this industry where we're like, oh, 15%, that's a month, right? Like most people, like if you're in traditional markets and you're a hedge fund manager and you're doing 15% a year, you're absolutely killing it. You're doing 15% a year. These guys their low ball target is 15% a month. So, I mean, that's insane. Look at how compounding can work with that. You let that your money ride for a year at 15% a month, and you're going to have an insane return. So very, very blessed and fortunate to have these guys on our side, in our corner, and presenting that offer exclusively to the Surf DAO. So again, shout out Frontier Fund, shout out Brown Cowboy, and shout out Surf DAO for making this happen.
Crypto is on the rise, making that